Today we're building our folding dining table, which you'll notice has many forms, but above all seats up to 4. In this video, we'll go over the quick and easy steps to have this table ready for dinner, remote work, or DIY project. Please note, there are multiple pieces of this item that appear to be the same. Step 1. Insert 7 Part A cam bolts, each into the back panel of Part 4 and the Part 5 front panel, 14 bolts in total. Then, attach the Part 1 handle to the Part 5 table front panel. Once finished, locate 2 Part 6 fixed side panels and insert 4 Part A cam bolts into each panel. And now we're going to insert 4 Part C dowels, each into the Part 7 top shelf and Part 8 bottom shelf. Attach the Part 7 and 8 shelves to 1 Part 6 fixed panel. Attach the Part 6 fixed panel to Part 7 and 8 shelves. Then insert 4 Part B cam locks into each shelf panel, 8 locks total. Then turn to secure. Place the assembly on its side. Then insert 6 Part C dowels into the Part 5 front panel. Then attach to the Part 6, 7, and 8 panels. Insert 3 Part B cam locks into the Part 6 fixed side panel. Twist to secure. Insert 2 Part B cam locks into the Part 8 bottom shelf. Insert 2 Part B cam locks into the Part 7 top shelf. Twist to secure as well. Attach Part 5 to Part 6, 7, and 8 panels with the corresponding cam locks and dowels. Attach 2 Part G caster sets to the bottom of the Part 8 shelf with 16 Part K screws. 4 screws per caster. Note: arrange the casters in the 4 corners of the panel so that the locking and non-locking casters are in opposite angles. Attach 2 Part N hinges to the Part 10 right side door with 6 Part D screws. 3 screws per hinge. And we're doing the same for Part 11. Insert 2 Part A cam bolts and 4 Part C dowels into the Part 14 cubby back. Insert 2 Part B cam locks into 2 Part 12 cubby sides, 4 locks total. Attach the Part 12 sides to the Part 14 cubby back, then turn the locks to secure. Secure the Part 14 back to the Part 11 left side door with 4 Part O screws. Then attach the Part 15 bottom with 2 Part C dowels. Turn the locks to secure. Attach 1 Part L table joiner to the Part 10 and 11 side doors with 8 Part D screws, 4 screws per joiner. Attach the Part 10 right side door by securing the open hinges to the Part 6 fixed panel with 6 Part D screws. And now, attach 2 Part M tabletop fasteners, male, to the Part 2 and 3 table extensions with 4 Part D screws. And now, attach the Part 11 left side door by securing the open hinges to the Part 6 fixed panel. Attach 2 Part M tabletop fasteners, male, to the Part 2 and 3 table extensions with 4 Part D screws. Next, insert 8 Part A cam bolts into the bottom of the Part 1 main table. Then attach 6 Part N hinges with 18 Part D screws. Open the Part 10 and 11 doors, then attach 2 Part H door casters with 2 Part E bolts and 2 Part F nuts per caster. Attach the tabletop assembly with 8 Part C dowels, then secure by turning the cam locks. Note: we recommend a second person lower the tabletop assembly while the other checks the alignment. Insert 2 Part B shelf supports into the Part 4 and 5 front and back panels. Place the Part 9 middle shelf onto the supports. We hoped you found this video helpful. For content like this and more, check out our YouTube channel. We'll see you next time.